group break to 22,922. We have the 5-box break of 2324 Upward Deck Engrained. We have got a base card number to 349 for Florida, Matthew Tkachuk. Number to 399, rookie for Buffalo of Matt Savoy. We have a synthesis for the Colorado Avalanche of Cale Makar. A rookie signature shot, number to 299 for the Vancouver Canucks, Akito Hiroshi. I love those cards. So nice. We have a base patch number to 35 for Calgary of Jonathan Huberdeau. Box 2. We have number 299 for the Vegas Golden Knights, Mark Stone. Sorry, 349. Rookie number to 399 for the Anaheim Ducks, Pavel Mintyukov. Synthesis for the Buffalo Sabres, Rasmus Dahlin. We have a rookie signature shots green, number to 75 for Pittsburgh, Philip Hallander. Oh, so cool. Eddie, long time coming update. Update from 1920 Engrained. Carved in time signatures for the Chicago Blackhawks, Patrick Kane. I think those cards are so cool. An Electrocast of Alex Tuck for the Buffalo Sabres. And a rookie signature shots, number to 299 for the Montreal Canadiens, Jordan Harris. On to box 3. We have numbered to 349, base for Florida of Sam Reinhart. Numbered to 399, rookie for the New York Islanders of Samuel Bolduc. A synthesis red for the Boston Bruins of Charlie McAvoy. A nice rookie signature shot, number to 99 for Seattle, Matty Beniers. Matty Beniers, rookie signature shots for Seattle. We have a base autograph for the Dallas Stars of Rupe Hintz. And an Electrocast for Detroit of JT Compher. We have a base card for the Edmonton Oilers of Paul Coffey, number to 299. Number 2/399 rookie for the Dallas Stars of Matt Murray. Numbered 2/20, we have a white birch base for the Colorado Avalanche, Nathan McKinnon. A rookie signature shots numbered to 299 for the Pittsburgh Penguins, Jonathan Gruden. We have a oak autograph for the Buffalo Sabres of Lucas Rusick, rookie autograph for Buffalo. And a carved in time for the Edmonton Oilers, Yari Curry. All right, guys, last box mojo. We have got number 299 base for St. Louis of Brett Hull. Number 2/399 rookie for the New York Islanders of Durando. Number 249, we have an ebony rookie for the Nashville Predators of Afanasyev. We have a rookie signature shots, number 299 for the Ottawa Senators, Ridley Greig. A rookie autograph for the Washington Capitals of Vincent Iorio. And last but not least, a remnant stick for the New York Rangers of Jonathan Quick. There we go, folks.